we have finished the one part of the second lesson. Now in this session we are going to start the second part, which is decimal. Okay, so we are going to see what is the decimal numbers. Okay, what are the decimal numbers and what is the place value for the decimal number. So we know that what is the So we know that the here ones, tens and 100,000, 10,000, the value of all these periods are same. Okay, same. But if decimal number is there after this all the columns, if decimal number is there, the left side of the columns are for the first column. After decimal there is a tenth column. Okay, after that 100 and 1000. This is a tens. Okay. This column we called it as a tens, and here tenth is there, means the first part of the tenth. Okay, tenth का ये first part, एक part हुआ. Okay, and if we'll write it in the decimal form, so here we'll get 0.1 means 1. 10 क्या करता है, किसको divide करता है, 1 को. कैसे करता है, I'll just show you. Okay, so here 1 is there and 10. Now it is not possible to divide the 1 with the 10 because 1 is less than, so we have to take 0. Okay, divide with the 0. After that also we can't do, so we have to take decimal. Decimal जब लेते हैं तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है, हम 0 ले सकते हैं जब तक हमारा आंसर रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आ जाता. Okay, so decimal gives us the allow to take the 0 to get your answer, or take means for the division. Okay, so here decimal लिया, so मैंने यहाँ पे 0 ले लिया. 10 ones are 10. Okay, so here we got the answer 0.1. Okay, after 10 there is a 100 place, 100th. Okay, 100, not 100. Okay, so this is the one part of the 100. Same way you have to divide the 1 with the 100, you will get 0.01. Okay, so the 1000 place is here. So okay, 1 upon 1000, what is the value of 1 upon 1000? That is 0.001. Okay, so remember students, after decimal the place start with the 10th. Okay, where the place value is 1 upon 10, 100 place is 1 upon 100, 1000 place is 1 upon 1000. You have to remember. Now one more important thing that I want to tell you. Suppose here I will write 436.192. Okay, so most of the time how we read the number 436.192. So we read in this way. Okay, but in the mathematical term the reading of the decimal is not the way which we read. Okay, so how to read the decimal number, that is the before the decimal which numbers are there, you have to read the similar like the how we read the other numbers, like 436 point. Do not read 192. Okay, because each numbers are different. Okay, so here means their values are also different. Here 436.192. So we have to write 192. Don't write 192, 192. Okay, so how to read the decimal number in mathematical term, that is 436.192. Instead of this, if I take here 57.0, okay, 78. Okay, 78. So how to read this number 57.78? No, we have to write the correctly in mathematical term, that is 57.78. Okay, so this is the correct way to read the decimal number. Now there are two different types of decimal numbers are there. First is like decimal. Like decimal में क्या होता है, the number of digit places are equal, mean two decimal numbers are there. Suppose here I'll take here two numbers. Okay, 5942. Okay, this is the one number, and here 462. Okay, so here what they are saying, number of digit places are equal. Decimal numbers are decimal numbers. Okay, here if I take here 5. Okay, 5. So यहाँ पे जो decimal के बाद जो place है वो same है, that is 10th. That's why these decimals are like decimal. लाइक डेसिमल। अनलाइक डेसिमल में क्या होता है, अगर मैं इसकी एक प्लेस बढ़ा दूँ और 100 प्लेस रख दूँ और यहाँ पे नहीं है, सो बोथ आफ्टर डेसिमल द प्लेसेस आर डिफरेंट, so we call them as a unlike decimals. Okay, so here we have learned the things. Now when you will use the like and unlike decimal when we are comparing the two decimal numbers, that time you can use like and unlike decimal. Now one more important thing, that how you can write the decimal number in expanded form. Expanded means क्या, large form में लिखना. Okay, you have learned this how to expand the number. So here I have taken example 27.36. okay, so here before the decimal number start with ones and tens. Okay, after decimal number start with 10th and 100th. Okay, 100. Now according to the place value system, I'll expand this number. Okay, so here first start with the 10th place. Okay, so here 2 multiplied by 10 plus 7 multiplied by 1, because 7 is on the ones place, plus 3 which is on the 10th place. What is the value of 10th place? 1 upon 10. Okay, so ये हो गया 1 का 10 का 1 पार्ट, पर यहाँ पे 10 का 1 पार्ट नहीं है, यहाँ पे 3 पार्ट है, सो 3 अपॉन 10 प्लस 100 के प्लेस पे क्या है 6. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हुआ 100 का 6 पार्ट. ओके, सो यू हैव टू राइट 6 अपॉन 100. ओके, सो जस्ट 2 10 जा 20 प्लस 7 1 जा 7 प्लस, अभी इसको आप डिवाइड करोगे तो भी चलेगा. इफ यू वांट टू राइट इन द डिवीजन फॉर्म इन दिस वे, सो दैट यू कैन आल्सो राइट, एंड इफ यू डोंट वांट टू डू द डिवीजन, यू कैन कीप एज इट इज. ओके, सो दिस इज द वे टू एक्सपांड द डेसिमल नंबर. इसकी जगह अगर 1000 की प्लेस आ जाती, यहाँ पे अगर मैं 4 लिख देती, तो मैं क्या करती 4 अपॉन 1000. Okay, so remember students, you have to, and to avoid your confusion, you can write down the 10th, 100 and 1000, and remember what is the value of 10th, what is the value of 100. अगर यहाँ पे 1 upon 10 लिखना नहीं है, this is the example. वंस की जगह 1 है, इसका मतलब हम हर जगह 1 नहीं लिखते ना, हम 7 आता है, 8 आता है, 3, कोई भी नंबर आ सकता है. ऐसे ही यहाँ पे 1 की जगह कोई भी नंबर आ सकता है, वो नंबर आपको लेना है. ओके, द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज हाउ टू कंपेयर द डेसिमल नंबर्स. Now comparison of decimal number, it is the same like how we compare the other numbers. Okay, so the difference is here decimal numbers are there. So first what we have to do is first compare the whole numbers. Okay, so before the decimal, whatever the numbers are there, if any number is greater than the another one, so that number is greater. If both the whole numbers, suppose for example if I'll take here 57, okay, 0.2, and here 62.3 is there. Okay, 3, or if I take here 1. Okay, so here automatically we can see that before decimal this number is greater, means this one is greater. Okay, suppose यहाँ पे 57.2 और 57.3 रहता. Okay, so how to compare this number? So what we have to do, if the whole numbers parts are equal, compare the 10th digit. Okay, so after decimal the number start with 10th digit. Okay, 10th digit, so 10 digit is greater than the decimal is greater. So यहाँ पे 2 and 3 is there, which one is bigger? That is 3. It means this number is bigger. Okay, so in this way, suppose 57.2 and here 4 and here is 5 is there. Okay, so again here 57 and 57 whole numbers are equal, then go to the 10th place, 10th place is also equal, then we have to go to the 100th place. Okay, 100th place, if we compare the 100th place, 4 and 5 is there, which one is the number where 100th place is more? That is 5. It means this number is greater. Okay, so simple way we have to find it out, which one is greater, which one is smaller. Okay, so we have to compare their 10th, 100 and 1000 digit and so on. If more than 1000 numbers are there after decimal, so you have to go like that. Okay, so here now next part which we are going to see, that is the conversion, how to convert the fraction into decimal and decimal into fraction. Now let's see how to convert the fraction into decimal and decimal into fraction. The simple and easy trick I'm going to tell you, that when, for example, here I have taken 17 upon 10. Whatever the number will be there for the means fractions will be there, what you have to do is to get the answer in the decimal form, that whatever the denominator is there, you have to divide with the, means you have to divide the numerator with the denominator. So here will come, that is 17 and 10. Okay, so here let's do the division. So 10 ones are 10. Okay, 0, 7 is there. Now 7 is, which is less than the 10, so what we have to do, we have to take the decimal. So decimal allow us to take the 0. Now we got the 17, so 10 7s are 70, and here we got the answer, that is 0, and here 1.7. so we have converted 17 upon 10 is equal to 1.7. the same way we have to go, same way. And one more important thing that I want to tell you, that if you don't want to do the division, so what you have to do, you have to see the denominator, how many zeros are there. There is a 1 0, means you have to leave the one place. So 10 के लिए हमें one place को leave करके, okay, so यहाँ से हम start करेंगे, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से start करेंगे यहाँ से, और उसका एक आगे, उसके एक आगे हम decimal रख देंगे. Okay, the same way I will do here. Now I don't, so here 237 डिवीजन बहुत हो जाएगा, तो मैं क्या करूंगी, 237 जैसा है वैसा लिख दूंगी. कितने जीरो है, 2 0 है. सो मैं उसके बाद से 1 and 2 डिजिट काउंट करूंगी और यहाँ पे 0 दे दूंगी. सो हियर दिस इज द अनदर. सो दिस इज द इजीएस्ट मेथड व्हेन यू आर डूइंग द एडिशन, addition, subtraction, multiplication, whatever you are doing. So this one is the another way. So you can do the division, means divide 237 by 100, you will get the same answer. Okay, now decimal into fraction. How to convert the decimal into fraction? Simple way, same thing you have to do it. Okay, so first is write down the whatever the numbers are there after decimal. After decimal, write down them without decimal. Okay, so 0 is there. 0 is there means nothing is there. So here 83 I will write as it is. Okay, now I want to write in fraction form now. So here upon, so after 0 means after decimal, how many places are there? 2. So here will come 2 0 and this place will take 1. Okay, so 83 upon 100. The same way we will do it here. Okay, without fraction, without decimal, just write down all the numbers. Okay, after decimal you just write down. Okay, after decimal how many zeros are there? That is 3. Okay, 1 2 3, and then before decimal how many places are there? 1. So here will come 1. Okay, so in this way we have seen the conversion of fraction into decimal and decimal into fraction. Now let's see multiplication of decimal. Here also we are going to see 3 parts of the decimal where we have to do the multiplication. First we'll see multiplication of a decimal by whole number. For example, if I take here 16.73 and multiply by 8. So here we are going to multiply this decimal by the whole number. So here first step is that do the multiplication without point. Okay, without point you just do as a multiplication as a whole number. Okay, whole number से किया. So here 8 3s are 24. Okay, 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 2 58. 5. Okay, 8 6s are 48. 48 plus 5, that is 53. 5 8s are 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 5, that is 8. So here 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 5 53. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 5 13. So here we got the answer, that is 313384. Now how to put the decimal? For the product you have to put the decimal. Okay, so here only one number is there which is in the form of decimal. Okay, so यहाँ पे देखना है after decimal कितने places थे? 2. So you have to take, means 1 and 2 पीछे से हमें लेना है, पीछे से. Okay, from the back we have to put the decimal. Okay, and here we got the answer 133.84. Okay, so in this way you have to do it. So first step is multiply the decimal number as a whole number, and then put the decimal, how many places are there in the decimal number, that much decimal numbers you have to give for the answer. Okay, so let's see the how to do the multiplication of the decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. Now let's see how to do the multiplication of decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, so students, the three difference you have to remember. Okay, when we will, here I will not show you the example. When we will solve the example from the exercise, that time I will show you how to do the multiplication of decimal with the 10, 100 and 1000. Some of you know that how to do it. Okay, so multiplication by 10, अगर हम करते हैं कोई भी decimal multiply with the by 10, okay, तो क्या होता है? So when a decimal number is multiplied by 10, the decimal point moves to the right by one place. ओके, सो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाती है, राइट साइड की वन प्लेस क्या हो जाती है, यहाँ पे यहाँ पे कम हो जाती है. ओके, सो यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ बाय 100 क्या होता है, यहाँ पे फिर से डेसिमल पॉइंट मूव्स टू द राइट बाय द 2 प्लेसेस. मतलब अगर यहाँ पे डेसिमल के बाद यहाँ पे 1 प्लेस है, तो ये 10 की जगह क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. ओके, यहाँ पे दूसरी प्लेस पे आ जाएगा, तो डेसिमल यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. सो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, अगर डेसिमल के बाद यहाँ पे 100 है, तो यहाँ पे 2 प्लेस के बाद डेसिमल है, तो यहाँ पे तो क्या हो जाएगा, डेसिमल 2 प्लेस के बाद आ जाएगा. ओके, 2 प्लेस के बाद आ जाएगा. सो यहाँ पे अगर 1000 में भी क्या होता है, 1000 में 3 zeros है, तो डेसिमल जो होगा वो राइट की तरफ कितने बार बढ़ेगा, 3 प्लेसेस आगे बढ़ेगा. ओके, सो हियर द आगे बढ़ेगा मतलब क्या होगा, यहाँ पे कम हो जाएगा, मतलब ज्यादा नहीं हो जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा. डेसिमल नंबर अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 1000 से, तो वहां पे क्या हो जाएगा, वो उतना पी यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड पे नहीं आएगा, वो उन्होंने बोला है राइट साइड पे जाएगा, राइट साइड पे. मतलब अगर फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई टेक हियर 3.419 एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000. ओके, सो हियर यहाँ पे मेरे 3 है, 3 डिजिट्स है. अब यहाँ पे क्या बोला है उन्होंने कि यहाँ पे डेसिमल पॉइंट मूव्स बाय 3 प्लेसेस टू द राइट. ओके, सो राइट साइड, डेसिमल के बाद राइट साइड कौन सी, यहाँ पे 3 प्लेस मूव हो जाएगा. सो 1 2 3, सो डेसिमल आ जाएगा इधर. ओके, और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, और यहाँ डेसिमल के लिए कोई भी प्लेस नहीं है, मतलब हम लिख सकते हैं 3419. ओके, सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड हाउ आई हैव डन ओवर हियर. अगर यहाँ पे कोई भी और नंबर होता, ओके 4 होता है यहाँ पे, और ऐसे डेसिमल होता, तो हमें क्या करती, ये डेसिमल 3 प्लेसेस के बाद लेती और हमारा आंसर होता 3419.4. ओके, मतलब 3419.4 आ जाता. Okay, so in this way we have to do the multiplication of decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. Now let's see how to do the multiplication of 2 decimal numbers. Okay, now the last part of this session is that how to do the multiplication of 2 decimal number. Okay, first of all, when you are doing the multiplication, don't see the decimals. Okay, so without decimal you have to do the multiplication. So here I have done the multiplication of 274 with the 13. Okay, so here 3 4s are 12, 1 I have carried, 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 1 22, 2 carried, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 that is 8. Okay, then take 1 place 0, and here if we multiply 1 with all the number we get the same number. So here we got the answer, that is 3562. Okay, now we have to put the decimal. Okay, now how to decide? Now students, when you are multiplying 2 decimal number, remember that whatever the decimal places are there, okay, you have to add them. Add them means not this 7 plus 4, no, the decimal numbers you have to. Okay, so here after decimal 2 places are there, and after decimal 1 place is there, so 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So from the last you have to point, means you have to put the decimal before, means from the last you have to start 1 2 and 3 this one, and here you have to put the decimal. मतलब पीछे से हमें स्टार्ट करना है, आगे से नहीं. आगे से करोगे तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा और आपका आंसर गलत हो जाएगा. जब भी कभी डेसिमल देना है तो हमेशा आपको राइट से लेके लेफ्ट में जाना होता है. ओके, सो यहाँ पे पहले डेसिमल में 2 प्लेसेस है डेसिमल की और यहाँ पे 1 प्लेस है. सो 2 + 1 = 3. तो मैं यहाँ पे पीछे से 3 स्टेप जाऊंगी और यहाँ पे डेसिमल दूंगी और मेरा आंसर आ जाएगा 3.562. Okay, so in this way you have to do the multiplication of the two decimal number, where first you have to multiply them as a whole number and then put the decimal according to their number of decimal places. Okay, number of decimal places. number मतलब ये वाले number नहीं, मतलब कितने decimal places है वो वाले. Okay, so here we have finished the today's session. In the second means the next session we are going to solve the next exercise. Okay, and that is 2.5. in that we will see how to do the multiplication of the decimal numbers, and one more important thing that we are going to see how to compare the decimal number, how to express the decimal number in rupee in different units. Okay, rupee, centimeter, meter, kilometer, and how to write the decimal number in expanded form. All these things we will see in the next session.